video, we're going to talk about common logs and natural logs, and we are going to use a calculator to evaluate. So a common log, base 10 is implied. So here we see the base, you see that subscript of 10. Well, if it's the common log, you're just going to see log x or log of whatever the result or the argument is. Natural log, base e is implied. So in other words, if you have ln, that's the notation we use for natural log, with a base of e, argument is x, here's what you would see, just ln x. Now let's go ahead and evaluate. This is all calculator work. So log of 900. And you'll just grab your calculator, hit log 900, close off your parenthesis, and hit equals. We're going to round these to the nearest 10,000ths. If you do not get this same answer on your calculator, you might have to just enter it backwards. Some calculators you would have to hit 900 and then log. If you run into difficulty using your calculator, please just contact me. I am more than happy to walk you through how to use your calculator. So let's jot that down. Log of 900 is approximately 2.9542. We'll take it out to the nearest 10,000ths, which is 4 decimal places. Let's take a look at the natural log of e. So I'm going to find my ln key. Here it is. And I'm going to enter E. E to the X is right above the ln key, so you'll have to hit second or shift. And now it's wanting an exponent. Well, the exponent here is just 1. We don't see it. I'm going to close the parenthesis on my exponent, and then I have to close my parenthesis on the entire argument and hit equal. And we get 1. And we get 1 because the natural log is the inverse of e. They undo each other. And one more. Let's take a look at the natural log of negative 1.87. So natural log negative 1.87. I'm going to close off my parentheses, hit equal, and I get a domain error. And on some calculators, you might just see an error. Some calculators will show a 0, but if you look off to the left or up at the top, you'll see an E. That means the function is undefined. And as my calculator tells me, there's a domain error because for a logarithm, your values here have to be greater than 0. They cannot be negative numbers. And here's your try-its. Go ahead, pause the video, give them a shot, then come on back and check your work. So here we go. Log of 321. Just going to use the calculator. Log 321. Close parenthesis. And I'm going to get 2.5065. So approximately, and again, I'm using the notation approximately because it's not equal to, because I'm rounding. So they are not entirely equivalent, they are approximate. Natural log of 1,215. Natural log of 1215 and parenthesis. And we get 7.102. We're going to round up 5. So this is approximately 7.1025. And now the log of 0.17. Log 0.17 and parenthesis, close it off, and we are going to get approximately negative 0.769